This is the answer here. Now moving to the second question. So second section, first question. Now here section 2, first question is alpha and beta are the roots of the equation of this one. Okay. So is equal to 0, x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. For any n belongs to natural numbers, then show that the alpha power of n plus beta power of n is equal to 2 power of n plus 1 into cos n pi by 3. We have to show this. Now here solution is come like this. So here two roots come na, alpha beta, solution here. So x is equal to, so here equation is what? Equation x square minus 2x plus 4 na is equal to 0. So here the x, here the x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by how much will come? 2a na, what? 2a will come. So this will come here. So in this formula, so two factors will come, that is one alpha and what is that is next one is beta will come with this one. So I am doing this using this one. It will become so minus b is equal to, here in this b is equal to minus 2 only, plus under root of b square is equal to minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a is equal to 1 into c is equal to 4 here. It will become divided by under root of become 2 into 1 here. So it will become minus into minus plus 2 here plus or minus under root of, here this is 4 minus 4 4 ja 16 will come, this 4 4 ja 16. Okay. Now here divided by 2 will come. So from this 2 plus or minus under root of how much will come? Minus 12 na. So divided by 2. So here minus 1 minus, I will write it as minus minus 1, I square is equal to minus 1 na. So I take as I, so it will become 2 plus I under root 2. So under root 2 no 3. So I square is equal to na, so it will become in this 12 is there na, 12 root na, so it will become 2 root 3 will come here. So 2 I will put outside, 2 here. Okay, divided by 2. In this 2 I will common here. So 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. So 2 1 ja will get cancelled. It will become 1 plus or minus under I under root 3 will come here. So this is plus or minus. Okay, this is plus or minus. So 1 alpha is equal to, first I will take it as 1 plus root 3 I root 3. Okay, and beta is equal to, I will take it as 1 minus I root 3 will take. So here alpha power of n we have to find, no. So first we have to do this one. First we have to find modulus of this one. 1 plus I root 3 modulus is will come 2. Okay, so 2. So I will multiply with this equation is a 2 into 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2 will come here. So from this 1 by 2 we can write it as what we can write it as cos pi by 3, no. So 2 into cos pi by 3 plus here I sin pi by 3 is equal to how much here? 60, no. So pi by 3 will come here. So this will come. So what we have to find, no? Power of n, no. So alpha power of n, alpha is equal to 1 plus I 3, no. I root 3, no. So here 1 plus I root 3 whole power of n is equal to, so 2 power of n will come. This is cos whole power of n will come. I will write directly n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 will come here. Now here beta is equal to, also same will take it as beta is equal to 1 minus I root 3 beta is equal to. So here also same. So modulus will come as a root 2 only. So same 1 minus I root 3 is equal to 2 into same 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2 will come. So in this same cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3 will come here. So here this is multiplication of 2 and same 1 minus I root 3 whole power of n is equal to 2 power of n cos n pi by 3 minus sin n pi by 3 will come here. So adding these, so what we are saying, so he is adding these two things, like, so first one alpha power of n, this one, and this is beta power of n. So he asking both things and it will become I will do in the next page. here what we have got here. So 1 plus I root 3 whole power of n is equal to 2 power of n into cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3. So now here 1 minus I root 3 whole power of n is equal to, we got 2 power of n minus 2 power of n into cos of n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3 will come. So same like only, no. So here we got these two values. So where one, this is first one and this is second one. So I am subtracting these two things here, okay, in this one. So 1 plus I root 3 whole power of n minus 1 minus I root 3 whole power of n is equal to 2 power of n, I will common and okay. So it will become cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3. Here minus, so here this is plus, okay, adding, we are not subtracting, adding, okay. So here plus cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3 will come here. So this one and this one will get cancelled. Here 2 power of n common na, so it will become 2 cos n pi by 3 will come. So from this and this we will adding, so cos n pi by 3 plus cos n pi by 3 is equal to 2 cos n pi by 3 will come here. It is equal to 2 power of n plus 1 into cos of n pi by 3 will come. So this is we have to show na. So yes, this is we have to show. So this is alpha power of, so alpha power of n and beta power of n is equal to. So this is the question where, okay, so we have to find now. So we got this answer. Now moving to the next question here, okay, we will move to the next question. Now here second one is, if cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0, cos gamma is equal to 0, and sin alpha plus sin beta sin plus sin gamma is equal to, then for these two things it is 0 actually, okay, for this one 0 and this one 0, and then show that the first question is given that cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma is equal to 3 cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma is, we have to show this one, and second one has to show as a sin 3 sin, these all 3 sin, and this is cos alpha plus beta, cos beta plus gamma, and cos gamma plus alpha is equal to 0. So this is how to show. So 3 questions given as a second question, okay, as section 2. Now here solution come like this. Here solution come like this. So I will take A is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, and B is equal to cos beta plus I sin beta, and C is equal to cos gamma plus I sin gamma. Okay, so from this we will get as cos square theta plus I sin square theta is equal to how much, 1, no? So from that I will get as 1 by A is equal to cos alpha minus I sin alpha, and is equal to 1 by B is equal to, I will get as cos beta minus I sin beta will get, and here 1 by C is equal to cos gamma minus I sin gamma will come. So these 3 will come here. From this we will make the solution, and here A plus B plus C is equal to, I will write it as A plus B plus C is equal to, I will do these things, I will add these things. So cos alpha plus I sin alpha plus, and cos beta plus I sin beta, and plus cos gamma plus I sin gamma here. So from this I will add 3 na, so it will become cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma, I will write at the one place, okay. So this cos alpha, this cos beta, this cos gamma, write at one place, all place in low. So I into, so sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma will come here. So this also 0 from this given question. So this is cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0, plus I into this total also 0 here. So means A plus B plus C is equal to 0 here. And another thing we have to do here, So 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to also same here, same like this total process, and it will become also 0 will come here. Okay, now moving to the next finding this problem. Okay, so in 10th class we got some formula here. When a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then what is like formula? A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3a b c come na. So this formula we will use here. Okay, so to get this answer. Okay, now here I will do here a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3a b c, no. So a is equal to what? Cos alpha plus I sin theta, no, I sin alpha, no, cos alpha plus I sin alpha whole cube plus, and here b is equal to cos beta plus I sin beta whole power of 3 plus here cos gamma plus I sin gamma whole cube is equal to 3 into, so this total 3, which one? This one, and a b c, no. So cos alpha plus I sin alpha here into b is equal to how much? Cos beta plus I sin beta into cos gamma plus I sin gamma will come here. So from this we can write it as this 3 come inside all, this one cos 3 alpha will come plus I sin 3 alpha will come plus, and cos 3 beta will come plus I sin 3 beta will come plus here also cos 3 gamma come plus I sin 3 gamma will come is equal to, so this 3 into, so will come as cos alpha, cos beta, and cos, these 3 multiply, so it will become cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma will come plus I into sin of alpha plus beta plus gamma will come here. So this will come here if we multiply this to, so what is that one means? Like this we can write it as I told you already formula. So like this CIS alpha into CS beta. So CIS means cos alpha plus cos beta, no. So this cos theta into, cos theta plus I sin theta, no. CIS is equal to, so like this. So if we multiply these two things, we'll get this one alpha plus beta. Like if we multiply another thing also, CI plus alpha into CI plus beta into CI plus gamma, if we multiply these two, we'll get another thing here, gamma. So like that I will did here. Okay, I did here. Now here so first this one and this constants and this imaginary I will write separate cos 3 alpha plus sin here cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma plus I common to sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin 3 gamma will come here. We compare the imaginaries and constants. Okay, so cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma is equal to, so this will come 3 into this total will come. Okay, 3 into cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma will come. Now this is first question solved here, first question only this one, and second question is sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta is equal to sin 3 gamma is equal to, so this will come. So here imaginaries, these are imaginaries, I into, no, so I sin theta, so these imaginaries, and sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin 3 gamma is equal to 3 into sin of alpha plus beta plus gamma will come. So this is second question we solved here. The two questions are solved here. Okay, now third question is there, na? Like what is third question? Here cos alpha plus beta, cos beta plus gamma plus cos gamma plus alpha is equal to 0 we have to show. Okay, I will do here only like what we have to do. So here I did already this 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 0, no? So I will take this one, I will take this one, 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 0, no? So I will, in this I will take so cross multiplication, though it will become bc plus b will go, no? So ac will come plus and C will come to AB divided by ABC will come. So is equal to 0. This will goes there and it will become BC plus CA plus or AC plus and AB is equal to 0 will come. In this we have to submit the A, B and C values. What are the A, B and C values? This A and this B and C values. Then we will get the answer easily. Okay. Here first A, first BC, here we have to submit the first BC, and after that we'll do that AB and BC and CA will do that, like so AB is equal to how much? Cos alpha plus I sin alpha, no? So this I will do here. Okay, cos alpha plus I sin alpha into AB. B is equal to beta, no? So cos beta plus I sin beta into plus here A is equal to cos alpha. This A is equal to AC I am doing AB over this A, B over now AC I am doing AB and AC and BC I will do that. Okay, cos alpha beta, cos beta, B is means cos beta plus I sin beta, and here wait, I will do BC only. Okay, here cos gamma plus I sin gamma plus, and another thing is AC. A is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha and into C is equal to cos gamma plus I sin gamma. So these three will come with this one, this AB plus BC plus AC. So here from this we'll do cos alpha plus beta will come, no? So here, so if we do this multiply with this, so it will become cos of alpha plus beta will come plus I sin alpha plus beta will come, alpha plus beta will come. So this is also one identity. Okay, CIS alpha plus into CIS beta is equal to CIS alpha into CIS beta is equal to CIS alpha plus beta. I told you already. So from this we will get this one. And another thing, so cos of beta plus gamma and what will come? Same, plus I into sin of beta plus gamma will come. Okay, now so next one will come cos of this alpha plus gamma will come plus I into like sin of alpha plus gamma will come. So this will come here. So we'll equate this is equal to 0 will come here. He equate this constant terms, this one is equal to 0. So cos of alpha plus beta, here what we have to prove, no? So plus only, no, between the, so yes, plus, so plus cos of beta plus gamma plus cos of another thing is there, what is that? Cos of beta plus gamma is over, no? So another thing, alpha plus gamma is equal to 0. So this is the third equation we have to find, we have to prove. So from this imaginary I separated and constant I have separated. Okay, imaginaries, these are imaginaries. Okay, I separated and this constant I took. So this is equal to 0. So that we have to show, no? So that's 3 is equal to 0. So here is equal to 0, no? That's why I took here is equal to 0. So this is the answer here. Now moving to the next question here.